Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to highlight text in CapCut. So let's get into it. As you can see, I have already opened CapCut on my computer screen. So let's start the process. First, from the top right side, open the mask tool and then select the rectangular mask. Next, navigate to the Video Basic tab and locate the Blend Mode option. Open the Mode drop-down and select Multiply from the options. You will see the effect in the Video Player tab. Now return to the Mask tool and resize it to cover the text in the Video Player tab. To highlight the text, start by selecting the beginning point of the highlight. Then from the right corner of the Mask tool, add a keyframe. Move to the end point and add another keyframe. Adjust the color to cover the text and position it correctly. Now let's preview how it looks. And that's it. This is how you can highlight text in CapCut. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.